everyone, how are you all? So, welcome to my channel and let's begin the today's session. Today, we are going to do EFT for healing anxiety and stress because no matter how hard we try, we go through these emotions every day in our life for one or another reason. And there are some major stress issues which has created anxiety we are holding on to from our past. So let's begin with this EFT today to release the anxiety from our past, present, or anything we are feeling for the future. And let's feel the peace, calm, happiness, and freedom within. So let's begin. The karate chop point. Even though I have been feeling this anxiety, till I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though this anxiety is not happening to me, I have created it. Till I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though this anxiety wants to tell me something, but I don't hear it. Still, I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. In the eyebrows, all this feeling of anxiety and stress within me, I release. All the emotions within me that are leading to the stress and anxiety, I release. All the thoughts I am creating which are supporting this feeling of anxiety within me, I release. All the beliefs within me from my past or present which are creating this anxiety, I release. All the actions I have taken in the past or even now I take have created this anxiety within me, this stress within me for a long time. I release. All this anxious movie, anxious drama, I keep on replaying for small situations. Just long time. I release. All the situations in my life which have led to this anxiety within me, I release. All the experiences in my past or my present, because of this, I am going through this stress and anxiety. I release. Everything I am holding on to, I have been programmed through my childhood, which have been created this pattern of anxiety in me. I release. The fact is, this anxiety is not happening to me right now because of any situation or person. It has been my pattern. If I remember in my childhood, little things started creating anxiety within me. Was my exams, class tests, or sometimes my teacher I used to scare off and I feel anxious listening to their name or in the class. Or sometimes at home when we want to hide or get scolded by the parents, we get anxious. Or we get some conflicts with the friends or anyone else, we get anxious. There are enough proofs in my life till now that I have been programmed with this anxiety. Till I feel if my health problem, my career problem, or relationship problem is solved, I will be relieved of this anxiety. Not true, because there is one or another reason that keep coming to me to repeat my pattern till the time I will not be able to deal with it, release this pattern, change my emotions again and again. I need to rewire my subconscious mind, my nervous system to stay in peace, calm, and free whenever anything happens, creates this stress within me. And one more reason can be I create anxiety because then if I feel anxious, stressed, I don't have to do anything. I simply give an excuse that I am anxious. I don't want to go there. I am not feeling good. I don't want to do that right now. Anxiety is also protecting me from taking some actions which I don't want to. Because what happens, our body, our mind protects us of what we don't want to do by creating one or the another reason. So now I choose to release all the stress, all the anxiety, all the way through my past. I release and forgive myself for holding on to the stress and creating it even now. I release and forgive all the people in my past and present which have created this feeling of anxiety, stress in me. I choose to forgive, accept, and release all the problems in my health, relation, or career which are creating this anxiety. Now, I choose to remain calm, peaceful. I choose to feel free in any situation because it's not important to feel anxious for every small thing. I can handle things calmly, and I have handled a lot. I have enough proofs that I have handled a lot, done a lot, staying calm, staying peaceful, with freedom. So I choose to practice those emotions more than the stress, anxiety. I choose to practice peace, calmness, freedom every moment, every day in my life. Now, I choose to release this anxiety, stress, all areas of my life, all the way through my past. And I choose to be peaceful, calm with my past and the present and create a new future with a feeling of peace, calmness. I choose to release all the anxiety, stress for my physical, emotional health, for my body, for my weight even. And I choose to accept and be peaceful and calm with my body, my mind. I choose to release all anxiety, pressure, stress of all my relations, especially relation with myself. I choose to stay calm, peaceful, happy within myself, and to respond to the others with same emotions. I release all the stress, anxiety from the career, wherever I am facing right now, or in the past I have gone through. And I choose to be happy, peaceful, and calm with my career, whatever I've gone through in the past, and the present and future. And finally, I release all the stress, anxiety related to money I had in the past, I have right now or for the future. And I choose to be peaceful and calm. All the money, everything I had, I have now. And I choose to create everything good money, wealth, with the feeling of peace, abundance, and freedom. Even though sometimes stress comes back to me because it has been my pattern. And some sort of stress is also okay. That is needed for me to take actions. Otherwise, I will be lazy if I am not feeling anxious to do things. I will not take actions on time. So it's okay. But your anxiety, your stress, you can come to me. Tell bit if I need and I want some time, but not to rule my life, not to control. How I choose to take my control in my hands and handle everything with peace, calmness, freedom, and happiness in my body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath and release any sensation in any part of the body you are having or you had, or the stress in any area is going out of your body and going out of the universe, releasing in the form of small bubble particle. At the same time, beautiful, peaceful energy. Showers of white light like rain are coming from the universe, touching all our chakras, all the cells of our body, and immerse yourself with this energy of peace, happiness, calmness, and freedom within you and around you. Take one more deep breath and slowly open your eyes. Rub your hands gently, calmly, and put on your eyes, head, over the body, all the chakras. And you can tell me how are you feeling now? Write down in the chat, or you can unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Tell the intensity you are feeling now. We cannot hear you, Anisha. I cannot hear you. You just joined actually. You joined very late. I saw. Yeah. I cannot hear you. You are. Let me unmute you once more. You can unmute. Okay, you yawned. Yeah, you attended the last part only. Okay. I can't hear you still.
By any chance, can you hear me?
Yeah, right now, little bit. Yes. I could hear you little bit in between. And Deepshika, if you want to share anything, then you can share in the chat or unmute yourself.
It was a very good experience. Thank you very much.
Thank you. What about your stress? Anything you were going through?
Stress is okay, I would say. I'm looking more for weight loss actually. I have a lot of weight problem.
That also the
So I-
emotion, so this
Yes,
stress,
yes, yes.
anxiety also.
Absolutely.
So what is the like how much the intensity is reduced earlier than right now?
Yeah, I think it was like around 8. Now it has come down to 4. I'm feeling right.
That's great. That's great. Actually, 1 minute. Thank you. Thank you so much.